Food processors are versatile kitchen appliances used for chopping, blending, and mixing ingredients quickly and efficiently. They save time and effort in meal preparation, making it easy to create everything from smoothies to soups. They typically come with various attachments and blades for different tasks, making them a must-have for any home cook. Hey everyone! In this video, we will look at the 5 best food processors in 2023. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Hamilton Beach Food Processor. This versatile food processor with its spiralizer, slicer, shredder, chopper, and puree attachments makes it easy to prepare a variety of foods quickly and efficiently. With 4 versatile attachments, you can easily create perfect veggie spirals and ribbons, chop and mix ingredients, and slice and shred vegetables or cheese to your desired thickness. One of the greatest benefits of this food processor is the large 2.5 inches feed chute that can fit whole vegetables or blocks of cheese. You will save time and reduce the need for pre-cutting every time you use this 10-cup food processor, making it easy to process tough ingredients with a powerful 450-watt motor. The 2-speed pulse dial provides all the control you need for spiralizing, chopping, slicing, and shredding, allowing you to easily process all types of ingredients. The large 10-cup bowl with a pour spout is perfect for cooking for a crowd, allowing you to process 10 cups of food without having to stop to empty the bowl. Since the bowl has a pour spout, you can easily transfer dressings, sauces, and purees into serving or storage containers without making a mess. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe blades, bowl, and lid. All removable parts, including the cleaning brush, are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, and all food zones are BPA-free, ensuring that your food is safe and healthy. Overall, the food processor is a must-have for any home cook, making meal preparation quick and easy. With its versatile attachments, large feed chute, powerful motor, and easy cleanup, it's the perfect kitchen tool to help you create delicious meals in no time. At number 2 on the list is the KitchenAid Cordless Food Chopper. With its endless fresh options and precise control, you'll quickly chop, mix, and puree anything from chunky pico de gallo and salsa to creamy hummus, smooth sauces, and tasty dressings. One of the most convenient features of this chopper is the drizzle basin, which allows you to easily incorporate liquid ingredients while processing. This makes it easy to create perfectly emulsified dressings, marinades, and sauces without having to stop and start the machine. This chopper also features 2 speeds and pulse operation for precise control, giving you the ability to achieve coarse or fine results depending on your preference. The stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks into place for convenient pouring, making it easy to transfer your creations to serving dishes or storage containers. With a convenient 3.5-cup work bowl that features a locking blade, handle, and pour spout, this chopper is designed for easy serving and cleanup. The dishwasher-safe bowl makes cleanup quick and easy, while the compact size and simple cord wrap make it easy to store neatly on your countertop or in a cabinet. Overall, the KitchenAid Cordless Food Chopper is a versatile and convenient kitchen tool that's perfect for any home cook. Whether you're whipping up a quick batch of salsa or creating a complex dressing or marinade, this chopper has everything you need to achieve the perfect result. At number 3 on our list is the Braun 12-cup food processor. This 600-watt food processor is the ultimate kitchen companion that can help you with a variety of tasks like chopping, slicing, whisking, and kneading. You can also get a vitamin boost with its citrus juicer attachment. With 5 blade options, including an S-blade, mini bowl, and pastry mixer, this processor can handle anything from tough ingredients to delicate herbs. The dual control system of this food processor has a preset speed function that ensures immediate and even results without ramping up through all speeds. Processing starts directly at any of the 11 speeds you choose, giving you even more control over performance. With a 12-cup capacity, you can easily process a large quantity of food at once, making it perfect for entertaining or meal prep. Cleaning up after using this food processor is a breeze as every part, except the base with the motor, is dishwasher safe. You don't have to worry about the cleaning process, and it saves you a lot of time. This food processor comes with a measuring cup that lets you measure ingredients accurately, and the 1-year warranty from the manufacturer gives you peace of mind. The rated powerful 600 watts motors for processing with 110 volts for USA ensures that it can handle even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're making homemade pizza dough, pureeing vegetables for soup, or making a batch of salsa, this food processor is the perfect tool for the job. It's versatile, powerful, and easy to use, making it a must-have in any kitchen. The Braun 12-cup food processor is the perfect addition to any home cook's arsenal. At number 4 is the Sivio food processor. This food processor comes equipped with 2 bowls, including an 8-cup glass bowl and a separate 5-cup stainless steel bowl, allowing you to prepare food for both you and your baby with ease. With low speed and high speed 2-speed modes, you can choose the perfect speed to chop, blend, puree, mix, and mince a variety of ingredients. The uniquely sharp stainless steel 4x-level blades and powerful 400 watts motor can easily crush, mince, and puree with precise control. Simply pulse by pressing the speed button for a few short bursts, and your task will be finished in just 6 to 10 seconds. This food processor also features an anti-slip rubber mat to stay stable and ensure easy cleaning, with every part dishwasher safe. Plus, safety switches will stop the motor from grinding once you release the button, preventing a mess in your kitchen. Whether you're preparing onions, meat, or pumpkin, this food processor can handle it all. For example, you can chop 18 ounces onions in just 8 to 10 seconds, while 18 ounces meat only takes 10 seconds. Plus, with an extra stainless steel bowl, there's no need to worry about mixed flavors for your baby's food. This product also comes with a plumb interface to lock the blade in place before use, as well as a thermal protection device to ensure safety. ETL approval and lab certification also provide peace of mind. And with a 12-month quality warranty and lifetime customer service, you can trust this food processor to deliver excellent results every time. At number 5 on the list is the Hamilton Beach Mini Food Processor. This food chopper is the perfect solution to all your chopping, mixing, and emulsifying needs. This small but mighty food processor is powerful enough to take on tough ingredients like onions, herbs, nuts, and garlic with its 350 watts motor. The chopper's durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients, including carrots and nuts. The oil dispenser on the lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. With its patented stack and press design, this chopper is easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. The chopper's perfect size for everyday use makes it an ideal choice for small kitchens. You can chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's small enough for easy storage, yet powerful enough to handle your daily chopping needs. Cleaning up after a meal has never been easier with this food chopper. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, and all food zones are BPA free. Whether you're making homemade baby food or preparing dressings and sauces, this food chopper is a versatile kitchen appliance that can save you time and effort. Its compact size and powerful motor make it a great choice for everyday use, and its easy-to-clean design ensures that you'll be able to enjoy delicious meals without any fuss. In conclusion, this food chopper is an excellent addition to any kitchen. With its durability, ease of use, and easy-to-clean design, it's no wonder why this mini food processor is a popular choice among home cooks. So, that's all about the 5 best food processors in 2023. If you think we have left valuable food processors, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.